The Netherlands Enterprise Agency RVO supports market development and economic opportunities in low and middle income countries. How? By collaborating with key market enablers to strengthen the overall business infrastructure. Under C Clean Cooking, we apply this entrepreneurial ecosystem approach to the clean cooking sector. This approach unites governments, private sector companies, investors, business incubators, financiers, research institutions, and various experts to tackle bottlenecks in the sector. But what does this mean in practice? Our approach focuses on 3 areas. Firstly, business development support. We accompany enterprises in their journey to grow and scale. Secondly, access to finance. We connect entrepreneurs with appropriate funding sources while building their financial literacy and readiness to investment. Thirdly, policies and regulations. We work with governments, sector organizations, and testing facilities to support policies and standards. Our approach is impact-driven, flexible, and tailored to local conditions. While C Clean Cooking centers around market growth for clean, affordable cooking solutions, this holistic entrepreneurial ecosystem approach can be applied across various sectors and diverse geographic contexts. Want to learn more about RVO and strengthening ecosystems? Visit english.rvo.nl/C-cc.